All right, can you guys see that? So real quick, wheels turning on its own, being triggered off the one coil. And I got charging battery right there hooked up to here. And you can see it charging. It's going to push up to 12.88. Shazam. Got a charging device. Now we need to run through it. One thing I liked about the Bedini, that he put it out there, open form, and he says, learn from it. And that's something I'm going to take advantage of, as well as the development of this, because that right there will have the same principles as this, except for that will be really advanced because of what we learned from this. I'm going to set this coil up. So I just put this coil tapped onto that coil and it stopped working. So obviously it's too much. I had to put these coils aside because I couldn't get the transistor to trigger with those coils. So I had to rethink what was going on. It took me several days to 3 days, a few hours a day, 3-4 hours a day to problem solve this. And so far it came down to changing the resistor, and changing the coil windings and the coil size. So now I'm going to dig into it deeper. So I tried to put that off of there, it wouldn't work. So I'm going to build another circuit just for this side to have two sides running. And if I can get this coil to fire up off the circuit. So right now I'm getting ready to take that coil, put it in that coil's place, don't change anything, and see if it fires up. If it's not, then definitely the coil that I changed was part of the culprit, but a major part of the culprit, because you just can't wind what you want. That's probably what Bendini learned through the process, that you had to have enough resistance in the wires and the wires thin enough so they can create this effect, which is charging back. Look, which is going at 12.89 now. Battery charging. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Ed was before Bedini. And Ed and Bedini knew about Ed big time. We'll get into it tonight. Thank you, bye.